Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a clown nose in Dress to Impress. Super simple using the accessory adjustment feature. We're going to select this microphone and I'm just going to color this part red, like the second part. You can either use this red or this red, it's up to you really. Scale it up to 1 and then rotate the Y to 1, and you're just going to position it until it is above your nose like this. Here are my settings, but you can obviously adjust it to your liking. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can adjust the material if you want it matte or if you want it like neon for Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You can also do that. But that is how you can create a clown nose in Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!